Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your CapCut project. To share your CapCut project between friends or anyone, first of all, open up your CapCut application on your mobile device and then go to the Projects tab from the Home section. There you will be able to see all of your ongoing editing projects. After you have the project that you'd like to share, tap the three dots right next to the project. Now, click on the Share Project button from the menu that pops up at the bottom. To share your projects, you might need to upgrade storage. Simply tap on the Upgrade Now button and upgrade your space by tapping the Purchase button. You can also choose if you'd want to purchase 1000 GB or 100 GB per year and tap on the Purchase button and follow through the prompts. You can also go ahead and open up the project that you are currently working. Export it after the editing is done by tapping Export at the top right. After the export is completed, you can then go ahead and share your project via WhatsApp, email, social messaging apps, or cloud storage. So that is how you will be able to share your project with anyone on CapCut. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel for more CapCut tutorials. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.